Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to build on the fly one of the most unique and powerful micro quadcopters that I've ever tested. Two components in particular make this quadcopter special. First of all, I'm using these beautiful iFlight Zing Nano 1206 4500 kV motors, which are probably one of the most powerful motors that you can get for a micro brushless racer. And the second component is the WeeMix frame, which is designed by KwadKarl and produced by FPV. In addition, in this build I used the Runcam Racer Nano FPV camera, the AGL-RC Zeus all-in-one flight controller, the Mini X VTX by Panda RC, an FrSky XM Plus radio receiver, and Emax Avan 3-inch propellers. The WeeMix frame that I have is an early production version. The final version features better carbon fiber parts, and in addition to the 20x20 and 16x16mm mounts, they added 26x26mm holes for mounting an all-in-one whoop-style flight controller. The WeeMix can be built in two ways. You can mount the battery on top for better weight distribution, and then it's going to look like an upside-down quadcopter. In addition, you can also build it just like a regular quadcopter like that, and you are also given this canopy, so if you'd like, you can use it instead of using these carbon fiber parts. Along with the frame parts, you are getting 3D printed TPU parts that are going to enable you to mount a nano-sized camera on the front of the frame, and an XT30 battery connector on the back, which is a really clever idea. In terms of specs, the thickness of the bottom or the top unibody plate is 2mm, the thickness of the side plates is 2mm as well, the wheelbase of the frame is 135mm, the distance between the left motors and the right ones is about 89mm. The distance between the front motors and the back ones is 100mm. If you are going to mount the battery on top, you can use up to 3-inch propellers. And if you are going to mount the battery on the bottom, you can use up to 2.5-inch propellers. In case you are going to mount the battery on top and go for the 3-inch propellers, you should keep in mind that you must get these type of long batteries, otherwise they will probably get in the way of the propellers. The next thing that I've done is to head outdoors and test the WeeMix using 2 and 3S LHV batteries. As you're about to see, this thing is a little ripper, and I really like the combination of the motors and the frame. The flight times that I got were close to 2 minutes because these are very power hungry motors, and the Zing motors are also available in 1103 and 1105 sizes, so if you'd like you can get these motors, and even though it's not going to be that powerful, the flight times are going to be probably extended. Now I'm going to show you the build video and the flight footage, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.